Welcome to the Linn County Planning and Development's tutorial on how to apply for a permit using our online permitting system. We recommend using a desktop or laptop as the process will look different on a mobile device. Our system has separate accounts for homeowners and contractors. This video is for homeowners. If you are a contractor, please go to our videos on how to set up a contractor account and applying for a permit. If you are applying for a permit and live inside the city limits of Cedar Rapids, Marion, Hiawatha, or Robbins, please stop the video and go to the appropriate city's website and apply for a permit through your city. Each of these cities has their own building department, and you must apply for a permit with the city. Begin by going to the Linn County website, linncountyiowa.gov. Hover over the departments and select Planning and Development. In the blue box on the left side, select Building Division. Choose Building Permits and Inspections on the left side. Under the Apply Online, click Homeowners. You will be notified that you are leaving the site. Click Proceed to Site. You will now be on BSA Online, our online permitting system. Under Services, click Apply for a Permit. If you do not see the Apply for a Permit or the Services box, click the blue arrow to expand the view. Search for your property by address using your house number and street name. Do not add things like street, drive, or circle. Click on Search. Select the correct address and click on Next. In the I Need a Permit for, select Construction and Residential. The type of permit you are applying for depends on your construction project. For example, if you are applying to construct a new detached garage, full building, or shed, you would choose Accessory Structure New. If you are building a new house or doing construction to an existing dwelling, you would scroll down to find the Res categories, short for residential. Here you will find permits for building a new dwelling, adding an addition to your existing dwelling, and dwelling alterations. If you are remodeling a portion of your home or finishing a basement, you would choose the Res Alteration type. Please note that siding, windows, and egress windows have their own permit type. However, if you are doing multiple projects at once, please choose the Res Alteration, as this is the more appropriate permit type. Next, enter your work description, which should include the details of your project. If you are building a deck, a work description might read, constructing a 10 by 10 composite deck with stairs. Or if you are building a detached garage, construction of a 20 by 20 conventionally framed detached garage. The basic usage is residential. Enter your square footage and your construction value. Click Next. Certify that you are the property owner and enter your contact information. Click Next. Permit staff will calculate permit fees after receiving your application. You will see just the online application fee at this time. Click Next. You are now ready to attach the necessary documents needed to review your application. It is best to have your documents already saved in PDF format on your desktop, ready to drag and drop into the system. You can find links to the needed documents in Step 5, Attach Documents. After you have attached your documents, click Next. You will need to read and agree to the disclaimer and verify your name is in the Accepted By box. You are ready to submit your application. You will receive an automated email from the permit system saying your application has been submitted. Please note your permit can be denied or further information can be requested. Please watch your email for communications regarding payment and any further information needed. It is recommended to check your spam or junk email as these automated emails can sometimes be marked incorrectly as spam. This completes the process of applying for a permit with Linn County. Your permit is not issued until payment has been received and plan review has been approved. You will receive an email with the issued permit and approved construction documents. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact our office at 319-892-5130.